Chapter 1. Trees. Learning objectives. 1. Analyzing the poetic scheme of the poem. 2. Understanding the relationship between God, trees, and a poet. I think that I shall never see a poem lovely as a tree. A tree whose hungry mouth is pressed against the earth's sweet flowing breast. A tree that looks at God all day and lifts her leafy arms to pray. A tree that may in summer wear a nest of robins in her hair, upon whose bosom snow has lain, who intimately lives with rain. Poems are made by fools like me, but only God can make a tree. A poem by Joyce Kilmer. Exercise time. Answer the following questions. 1. What is the difference between a poem and a tree? Answer. The poet compares the tree with a lovely poem because the poet wants to send a message to the whole surrounding area that we don't have to cut it, as doing so is dangerous for our future. 2. What does the tree do all day? Answer. The tree looks at God all day. 3. What happens to the tree in summer? Answer. The tree wears a nest of robins in summer. 4. What is the relationship between a god, a tree, and a poet? Answer. The tree finds a connection with a god. The poet has used trees as human in the poem. Find their meaning. 1. Pressed, ready. 2. Robins, birds. 3. Bosom, a close friend. 4. Intimately, private and personal way. Fill in the blanks. 1. A tree whose hungry mouth is pressed against the earth's sweet flowing breast. 2. A tree that may in summer wear a nest of robins in her hair. 3. Poems are made by fools like me, but only God can make a tree. Take the right options. 1. What is not lovely as a tree? A. Poem. B. Stone. C. Poet. Answer. A. Poem. 2. Dash can only make trees. A. Man. B. God. C. Nature. Answer. B. God. 3. Who creates poems? A. Fools. B. God. C. Trees. Answer. A. Fools. Match the following. Column A. 1. Poet. 2. Flowing breast. 3. Robins. Column B. A. Small singing birds. B. Fool. C. Earth's ground. Answer. Poet, fool, flowing breast, earth's ground, robins, small singing birds. Let's enjoy the poem. A. Within trees, Kilmer uses numerous poetic devices. These include alliteration, personification, enjambment, rhyming, and anaphora. Discover the definitions of the devices listed below. Moreover, identify the exact stanza where the chosen device was used. Alliteration. Alliteration is a technique that makes use of repeated sounds at the beginning of multiple words grouped together. It is used in poetry and prose. Personification. Personification is a literary device that refers to projecting human characteristics onto inanimate objects to create imagery. Enjambment. Enjambment occurs when a line is cut off before its natural stopping point. It is a transition continuation between lines. Rhyming. Rhyming words and phrases which rhyme with each other. Anaphora. Anaphora is the repetition of a word or phrase at the beginning of multiple lines, usually in succession. B. Pure Land Christmas Tree. Traditional tree variant by Dorothy Engelman. Listening and speaking skills. Your teacher will read out some descriptions. Listen carefully and speak on a few steps to protect trees. Reading skills. Read the unseen passage carefully and answer the questions. Trees are plants that grow everywhere on earth except in the desert and at poles. They are very important for life on earth. They provide protection from wind. Trees' roots spread through the ground and keep wind and rain from washing soil away. Trees and forests store water during times of dryness and suck up extra water when it rains a lot. Without forest, areas would flood more often. Moreover, trees provide places for animals and other plants to live. They help keep the right climate for life. They also help the air we breathe by turning the gas of carbon dioxide. In addition to that, wood from trees builds houses and the fruit we eat grow on trees. If we cut down more trees, we will face many problems. A. Answer the following questions. 1. The text is mainly about A. Planting trees, B. Importance of trees, C. Cutting down of trees. 2. Trees grow everywhere on earth except A. In the desert, B. At the poles, C. In the desert and at the poles. B. What can the roots of trees do? C. Can trees help us breathe? How? D. Where do you think trees and forests store water? Writing skills. Label the parts of the tree. Use the word bank to help you. Then read the definitions in each box around the tree. In the circle, write the number of tree part that matches the definition. Parts of a tree. Makes and releases oxygen. Hold the plant in the soil. Carries water and minerals to the rest of the plant. Supports the leaves. Makes food for the tree. Supports the fruit. Hold up the branches. Takes in sunlight and carbon dioxide. Absorbs water from the soil. Contains and protects the seeds. Word bank, leaf, branch, root, fruit, trunk.